Hey there, Opie and the Fearless Netpreneur team. Man, I tell you what, I owe you a ton of thanks. I got the opportunity to watch your Fearless Netpreneur Summit. I was there live, and I got to tell you, that was one of the most exhilarating educational experiences that I have endured in quite some time. And it was phenomenal. All the speakers, the 15 speakers that you had was great, and you were such a gracious host. I'm glad I got the opportunity to witness this. I got to tell you, anybody that's watching this, this is truly an honest testimonial for my good friend Ope Banwo and that incredible summit that he put on. But I got to tell you this. I got to tell you, if you are privy to having the opportunity to get access to the recordings, or even if you were there live, you need to really take in everything that you've got, that you've grasped, and take action on it. Look, you got to witness, or you're about to get the opportunity to witness 15 of the most incredible thought leaders in our industry. And everything that they share, they gave up everything. They didn't hold back any secrets. And if you take this information that they've shared and you pay close attention and you've taken copious notes, now it's time to take action, because you can take everything that you've learned here and apply it to your business and get incredible results. And it's all you need. You don't have to go out and look for those new products. You know, we get that shiny object syndrome. We're just creatures of habit when it comes to collecting things. We are nomads. We collect everything that we see. We want to stockpile things. We're actually hoarders. I mean, I don't know if you've seen that show, but we are hoarders, so to speak. And we like to just gather things. Stop doing it. Stop doing it. Take time, check out the recordings, check out your notes, take action. If you can't do the things that you've learned, outsource them. One of my mentors told me, focus on your strengths and outsource your weaknesses. That is going to give you the opportunity to leverage your time. It's going to give you that opportunity to be more analytical, to be able to scale your business, to see what's working and separate what's not working, improve on what's working, remove what's not working, and just move forward. You owe it to yourself. You owe it to your friends and your family to take action. Don't just sit on this incredible knowledge that you've received or are about to receive. My name is Lonnie Robinson. This has been an incredible experience, and I hope you get the opportunity to take advantage of this and take action. Here's to your success.